Hi, it's Zach here, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Scratch Remover Formula by Trade Secret. This is an amazing product that's going to restore the original beauty of all the woodwork in your home. Whether it's flooring, furniture, tabletops, you can use this on trim, just about anything, and it works phenomenally. And you actually get two different kinds. You get one that's for lighter woods like maple and pine, and then you also get a dark wood solution, which is great for walnut, mahogany, and other dark wood finishes. Now, we all hate when we get a little ding in our wood floors, and it's so frustrating. This is a really easy and quick way to fix that scratch. And it's also zero-VOX formula. So not only is it environmentally friendly, it's not going to let off any odors that are going to harm you, your children, or your pets. Now this stuff is super simple to use. All you have to do is put a little bit on a cloth and then rub it into the scratch until you watch it disappear before your eyes. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff. Now if you have any sort of wood furniture or surfaces in your house, you're going to want to keep the bottle of this around, and we have a phenomenal deal on it. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.